Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device Vivo Y75 5G. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If your speaker is not working or you are having any problem regarding your device speaker, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve your speaker problem. Let's watch the video.